Hi everyone, we are Ragnar Group, and today we are going to talk about the Pangu Chinese myth that talks about the origin of the world. The myth of Pangu, this myth first originates from ancient China, and it's the story of how things came to be. As the story goes, there was a cloud-shaped egg which contained all the matter in the universe. In this egg lived a creature that grew in size for 18,000 years. Eventually, the egg busted, and lighter elements floated to create the sky. In the other side, heavier elements fell to the ground, and Pangu put himself in between these elements in fear that the skies would fall and collide with the earth. He held the structure for 18,000 years before it stabilized. Afterwards, he died. From his body, we obtained mountains, rose, the four cardinal points, and the sun and the moon came to be. His blood gave birth rivers, and his skin created the ground. This first part explains the creation of the world. Like many other mythologies, aspects of the world were created from the organs of deities or creatures that precede humanity. Although matter came from the egg, Pangu serves as the creator of Earth.
The second half of the myth involves Nuwa and the creation of humans. Long after Pangu's death, Nuwa roamed lonely through the lands. Her loneliness led her to create humans out of mud. She liked these humans and decided to make more. To make the process easier, she grabbed a vine and swung it to drop mud onto the earth, creating more humans. These humans created by the vine were not as pristine to those molded by Nuwa, so they became the peasants, and the ones molded the aristocrats. This part of the myth explains how humans were created from gods, and how some were born into different classes than the others. The creation of humans appears in most mythologies. In Western civilization, the story of Adam and Eve is the most prevalent.
The end of the myth deals with apocalypse, which is interpreted in pieces of the sky falling. Nuwa saves humanity by blocking the holes with rocks, and afterwards perishing, giving her body to the earth and creating more elements of our world. This mythology deals with duality a lot. The egg represents chaos, and Pangu, separating the sky and earth, is serenity. The sun and moon have the dual nature of coming from each of Pangu's eyes. Nuwa creates both peasants and aristocrats. Similarly, men and women, this duality can be visualized in the popular yin and yang symbol that is prevalent in Chinese mythology.